Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix publishing errors on Squarespace in 2026. So if your website won't publish, keeps showing an error, or gets stuck during update, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can interrupt the publishing process. Next, refresh your browser and try publishing again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch that fixes itself after a reload. Now check if all your changes are saved. Unsaved edits or incomplete sections can block the publishing process. If your page has too many large images, videos, or complex sections, try removing or compressing them. Heavy content can sometimes cause publishing errors. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers. These can interfere with Squarespace publishing tools. If the issue continues, try publishing from another browser. This helps you check if the problem is related to your current browser. Now check if Squarespace itself is experiencing downtime. If their servers are down, publishing may not work at all. And if nothing works, contact Squarespace support. Include screenshots of the error so they can help you faster. And that's it. Most Squarespace publishing errors are caused by browser issues, unstable internet, or temporary server glitches, and they're usually easy to fix. Hey everyone!